Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Ford Fusion Hybrid SE. All Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $1,800 in savings on this specific vehicle. This vehicle has never been reported in any accidents and comes with 46,521 miles on it. This front-wheel drive Fusion comes with a 4-cylinder hybrid engine and custom 17-inch wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. We also have a sunroof. When it comes to the front, we have our regular digital radio, a push-to-talk button, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.